Hello and welcome to Anglo Siam Legal. Most of you know my name is John. I'm the Client Affairs Manager for the firm. I'm a practicing British and international lawyer and member of the International Bar Association. All of our in-house Thai team are Thai lawyers, barristers, accountants and consultants. Our award-winning team is conveniently located just by Big C Pattaya Thai for all of your legal and accounting needs. Now, over the past few weeks, we've been doing blogs, videos, updates on cannabis and other laws. But one thing we do get asked a lot is about medication. What you can bring in, what you can't, how it's considered, and what penalties there are. So it's kind of a do's and don'ts. So Thailand divides medications into distinct legal categories, each with specific requirements. General prescription medications, non-controlled, such as antibiotics, some blood pressure medicines, insulin, birth control, etc., are allowed, provided they are in their original, clearly labelled packaging displaying your name, the drug name, and the dosage instructions. A valid copy of your prescription or an official's doctor letter stating medical conditions, daily dosage, and physician's credentials with your passport are required. Now, this is for if you're bringing it into Thailand. Let's say you've gone back to the UK or America, you're coming back and you're bringing it in. Or indeed, you're traveling here as a tourist and you want to bring in a supply. Category 2, which is your narcotics, your drugs, which could be controlled in certain circumstances. Codeine, morphine-based painkillers, oxycodone, etc. They are allowed, but only with advance approval requirements. In essence, you must apply for an FDA permit using Form IC2, which is an online form via the Thai FDA portal. You've got to do that at least 2 weeks before travel, and upon arrival, you must report and declare these medications at the red channel, goods to declare at customs. Categories 2, 3, and 4, including psychotropic substances, diazepam, lorazepam, many sleeping tablets, etc. Yes, you can, without advance permit, provided you have strict medical documentation. The required documentation is, again, patient's name and address, diagnosed medical condition, exact medication name, dosage, rationale, the total amount prescribed, and what you're bringing in. And this is quite important because usually it's a 30-day supply. You can get up to 60 or 90, but that depends on the dosage. So if you or your doctor says it's 1 pill 1 day, you can bring in 30. You can't bring in 60 because that goes against the allowance. So you do have to be very careful. So again, how much can you bring? It's quite simple. 30-day prescription with prior notification, 30 to 90s, but these are usually when you're applying in advance. A lot of people also ask, can I bring in prescription medication from another country for somebody else, like a friend, a family member, a relative, etc.? And quite simply, the answer is no. You cannot bring prescribed medication into Thailand by you for another. Essentially, the law is for that person, that prescription, that dosage. You carrying it actually commits offences. So if you carry for another, you risk penalties. And the penalties for all of these are based on categories and the offences. If you carry a little bit too much for your own personal use or your paperwork is not quite right, usually it's confiscation and a warning. If you carry excessive or for someone else, you're actually committing criminal and importation offences. And you can be dealt with by criminal courts, deportation, blacklisting, sentencing, heavy fines, and prison sentences. So the take is quite simply this. Many of us, as we get older, require medication. Sometimes Thailand can supply that locally from well-known hospitals. Sometimes we have to get it from our own GPs, doctors, hospitals back home. Maybe we just prefer it. But you have to be careful. If in doubt, check. If you need to apply to bring it in, do it. It's a straightforward process. The biggest takeaway is do not carry or take in for somebody else. You've only got to get stopped once at customs, a bag checked, an immigration check, and if the medication you're bringing in is controlled and is not in your name, you face consequences. So don't risk it. For all of your legal needs, we're here at Anglo Siam Legal. I hope this helps. Give it a share. This is an important one for everybody to know. We're here for our clients, our expat community. Give it a share, give it a thumbs up, give us a like. Facebook, YouTube, it's all there so we can continue this. Just giving you updates for you and the rest of the Pattaya residents. All your legal needs, you know where we are, and we'll see you again very soon. Thanks for watching.